Picture Scotland at dawn. Mist clings to rolling hills, and Robert Kirk stands alone, quill in hand, listening for sounds most cannot hear. Centuries ago, while others dismissed tales as fantasy, Kirk observed patterns, stories of fair folk who move unseen, just beyond our senses. He noted precise details. Luminous beings, not fairy tale sprites, but entities that stepped out from hidden places, altered time, and sent messages through dreams. The 17th century Highlands believed these subtle bodies lived beside us, separated by the thinnest of veils. Now, in our era, the language has shifted. UAPs, close encounters, missing time, but the underlying patterns echo Kirk's observations. Researchers like Jacques Vallée see clear parallels. Both fairies and modern visitors hover at the boundaries of perception, crossing into our world momentarily before vanishing. Perhaps we're not alone, but sharing space with realities just out of sight. Kirk's question lingers. Who truly walks these hills beside us?